Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Today we have three news lined up for you. So first, we'll dive into how astronauts recover after long space missions. Then we have India's latest stealth frigate and a major French naval exercise in the Arabian Sea. All right, so fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey. First is space missions, life after space. Space missions does sound thrilling, right? But did you know that astronauts after they return to Earth, uh, and in they need lot of care and rehabilitation. So four astronauts, we know that Sunita Williams, Barry Wilmore, Alexander Grubunov, and Nick Hague uh, recently splashed down in the Gulf of Mexico after spending months aboard the इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन से वो रिटर्न आए हैं और गल्फ ऑफ मेक्सिको में वो वापस उतरे थे. सो अब हम समझेंगे कि कैसे स्पेस अफेक्ट करता है ह्यूमन बॉडी को एंड व्हाट रिकवरी लुक्स लाइक. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इमेजिन you are floating in space. And when I say this, that you are floating in space, it actually means that there is no weight. And it sounds fun, right? But it has some long term serious effects. तो अब सुनने में तो बहुत एक्साइटिंग लग रहा है कि स्पेस में हम फ्लोट कर रहे हैं और कोई वेट नहीं है उसमें, लेकिन उसका बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस इम्पैक्ट भी होता है. ओके, तो कैसे अफेक्ट करता है? दिस आर्टिकल इज मेंशनिंग हियर द अफेक्ट्स लाइक fluids in our body, it move differently. So blood and other fluids, it start shifting towards the brain, and this makes astronaut faces look puffier. Okay, and since there's no gravity pulling them down, astronauts don't use their muscles as much and they lose strength. Okay, और क्योंकि प्रेशर भी नहीं है, so without the usual pressure on bones, they become weaker. Yes, so these are the changes which we get to see in human body after spending considerable amount of time in space. So how NASA monitors astronauts in space? To stay fit, astronauts exercise daily. Okay, they need to exercise daily. They eat carefully planned diets and they undergo regular health checks. Okay, तो कैसे हेल्थ चेक्स कैसे रेगुलर वो अंडरगो करते हैं? दे सेंड medical reports every few weeks, and they also undergo physical tests like vision check, blood test, and weight measurement throughout the period they are staying in space. Okay, and once they are back on Earth, astronauts can't just walk normally. ओके, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अब क्योंकि अब तो वो स्पेस से अब अर्थ पे आ गए हैं तो फटाफट से नॉर्मली वॉक करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. नो, दे नीड स्पेशल रिहैबिलिटेशन. So right after landing, they get tested for blood pressure, vision issues, muscle weakness. So they have to undergo medical checkups, and they need to do daily physical therapy like stretching, jogging, and even playing ball games in water. Okay, so for some time, this reconditioning period, it takes a few weeks, while others they may need up to 45 days or more to fully recover. ओके, तो बहुत टाइम भी लग जाता है, कई बार 45 days लग जाते हैं रिकवर होते होते. Okay, now why this matters? See, with space travel advancing rapidly, Studying these effects helps scientists plan for longer mission, maybe even to Mars. Imagine a future where people live in space for years. So what will human bodies look like then? तो ये सारी चीजें समझने के लिए बॉडी पे कैसे असर होता है स्पेस का, तो अभी जो रीसेंट मिशन था जिसमें सुनीता विलियम्स एंड बुच विल्मोर गए थे एंड इट गॉट एक्सटेंडेड, है ना, वो मिशन ऐसा था कि उनको कम टाइम में आना था लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सटेंड हो गया वो। तो it actually helped scientists in understanding space how human body reacts in space, and if there's a need for longer space mission, so what precautions they gonna take। तो इस वजह से भी ये स्पेस मिशन काफी ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया था, राइट। नाउ let's go to the next article that we have. It's regarding India's stealth warship Tavasya. So India has launched its fourth Krivek class stealth frigate named Tavasya. Tavasya, it sounds cool, right? But what exactly is a stealth frigate and why is this a big deal? So when we talk about stealth frigate, these ships are designed to be less visible to enemy radar. Okay, नाम से पता चल रहा है ना stealth। So these ships इस तरह से इनको डिजाइन किया जाता है that they are less visible to enemy radar. So they move quietly and can detect threats without being detected themselves. They can actually detect the threats, okay, enemy threats without being detected themselves. Okay, so that is role of stealth frigate. And talking about Tavasya is built at Goa Shipyard Limited under a deal with Russia. How was it built? It's mentioned in the article. Like India and Russia, they initially signed this agreement in 2016 for four such ships, and two were imported from Russia, while two are being built in India with Russian technology. ओके, तो दो जो ऐसे थे कि जो रशिया से इंपोर्ट किया गया था, और जो दो थे वो उनको इंडिया में ही बनाया गया विद रशियन टेक्नोलॉजी, ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज इंडिया, वी नो दैट इंडिया, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट फोकसेस ऑन आत्मनिर्भर भारत, एंड देयर वाज रीसेंट रिपोर्ट where it was mentioned that India is now second largest arms importer, military arms importer. But during this period 2029 to 2024, we have seen that there's a reduction in the import. Why? Because India is now focusing on indigenous development of arms. Okay, so this is also the reason why we have imported only two stealth frigate, and the next two we have actually built with the help of Russian technology. Okay, so why is this important? See, India's navy is growing stronger and it is becoming more self-reliant. So stealth ships can play a major role in modern warfare by protecting India's, of course, maritime borders. And this project, it can also helps Indian engineers learn the advanced shipbuilding skills। एडवांस शिप बिल्डिंग स्किल्स कैसे है, क्या क्या उसमें चीज़ें आती हैं, क्या क्या न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी इंट्रोड्यूस की है, तो इस वजह से भी इंडियन इंजीनियर्स को एक सीखने का चांस मिलता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल वी हैव इज इंडो फ्रांस नेवल एक्सरसाइज। Okay, this is again deal with Navy. So, have you ever imagined a massive naval battle simulation between two powerful navies? Now, that's what Varun 2025, a joint exercise between India and France, was all about. Okay, so Varun exercise, a naval exercise, conducted between India and France. तो कब हुआ था ये? It is mentioned it's held from March 19 to 22 off the coast of Goa. गोवा के कोस्ट पे it was being held, right? And India deployed इट्स एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर INS विक्रांत। और वही फ्रांस ने भी अपना एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर लेकर आए थे। सो व्हाट डिड दे प्रैक्टिस, व्हाट डिड दे एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिस्ड इन दिस नेवल एक्सरसाइज? सबसे पहले तो द फोकस वाज ऑन एंटी सबमरीन वॉरफेयर। India and French submarines, they played cat and mouse games to test their skills. Okay, ताकि कैसे हम उसको रियल लाइफ, जब रियल अगर सिचुएशन आएगा तो कैसे हम टैकल करेंगे। सो दे एक्चुअली प्लेड दिस कैट एंड माउस गेम्स। Okay, and ships also practiced coordinated attacks. They used fire jets like Rafale M and MiG 29Ks, and both navies, they trained in spotting and neutralizing hidden threats below the ocean. Okay, तो काफी सारी चीजें हैं, and some technical terms are also mentioned, but younger students, you just need to understand what I've just told you. Okay, now why does this matter? See, India and France, they have strong defense ties, and such exercises, it help improve coordination. Okay, it increases Indian Navy's combat skills and ensures the safety in whole Indian Ocean region, because we know that why Indian Ocean is important, right? And this exercise also highlights the importance of protecting global sea routes for trade and security. ओके, तो ट्रेड एंड सिक्योरिटी को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करना है, इस नेवल एक्सरसाइज में ये भी हाईलाइट किया गया। ऑल राइट, सो दैट्स अ रैप फॉर टुडेज एपिसोड। वी लर्नड लॉट, राइट? सबसे पहले हमने क्या सीखा कि एस्ट्रोनॉट्स रिकवरी आफ्टर स्पेस मिशंस, एंड देन we learned the India's latest stealth frigate and a powerful naval drill between India and France. All right, students, so that's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting news breakdowns. Bye bye. See you next time.